Hello students, now today we'll do question number 4 of exercise 9.1 chapter 9 algebraic expression. Now we have 3 questions in question number 4 and in all we have to do subtraction, and today I will teach you column method. Fine, we'll not do horizontal method because that would be a little lengthier and time taking. So I will teach how exactly you will do column method for subtraction, which is easy also, less time taking also. Fine. So see, this is a question, this is sum number 8, we have to subtract. The first expression is given as 4a minus 7b plus 3b plus 12, and this first expression you have to subtract from this, you have to subtract from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Okay, so when you're going for a column method, you are always supposed to write the second expression first. So we'll write it down. So 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Okay, so once you're done with this second expression, now on the second line you have to write the first expression, this expression. But be careful, you have to write all the variables just below the that is, you have to match all the variables. That is, below a you have to write the a variable, below ab you have to write ab variable, below b you have to write b variables, and with constant term you have to write constant term. Fine, so this is what you have to be very, very careful. So now a with a, so it is plus 4a, so we'll write 4a. Fine, now minus ab, this ab, so minus ab will be just below 9ab because these two are like terms. Fine, so you have to match up the like terms. Plus 3b, so this is b, so we'll just write 3b below 5b, and constant term we have 12, so we'll write plus 12 just below minus 3. Now one very, very important thing you have to do, students, in column method. Now on the second line, that is on the second line, whichever sign you see, you just have to change it. That is, you have to write the opposite sign. That is, see, minus sign will now, here on the second line with the constant term we have plus sign. Now this plus sign will change to minus sign. This plus sign will also change to minus sign because the opposite of plus is minus. What is opposite to minus? That is, this minus sign will now change to plus sign. No sign means positive sign. That means positive, opposite of positive is negative. That means now plus 4a has now become minus 4a. Okay, now we'll do the solution. See, minus minus, will not consider this sign anymore, we'll consider this sign. In place of this plus sign we'll consider this minus sign instead. So minus minus is plus, 12 minus 3 is 15. Now we'll see which number is greater, 12 or 3. 12 is greater, so 12 is having which sign? Minus, not this. Do not consider this sign anymore, I said. Okay, so we will consider this sign here. Instead of plus, now we will consider minus sign. So now 12 is having minus sign, so we'll put minus sign. Same thing we'll do it here, over here also. That is, plus minus is minus. 5 minus 3 is 2b. Find which number is greater? 5. It is having plus sign, so we'll put plus sign. Now minus plus minus, 9 minus 7 is 2. 2ab, write the variable also. Now see which number is greater? 9. 9 is having what sign? Minus, so we'll put minus sign. Very, very easy, students. Now plus minus is minus, so we have to do minus. 12 minus 4 is 8, we'll write 8. Now we have to see which number is greater. 12, it is having plus sign, so we'll not give any sign. It means it is having plus sign only. So this is the required answer of sum number A of question number 4. I hope you all have understood. Now let's move on to sum number B. Now this is sum number B. So we have first expression as 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. We have 3 terms here. And on the second expression, from which you have to subtract this one, we have 4 expressions. That 4 expressions, or you can say 4 terms are there. 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. So what is the first thing that we have to do? We have to write the second expression first. That is 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Okay. Now on the second line, as you know that you have to write the first expression, but be careful with the like terms. Okay, xy should be under xy, yz should be under yz. So this is xy, so 3xy should be below xy variable. Yz, where is yz? Here. So we'll write plus 5yz, zx. So here we have zx, so minus 7zx. We don't have any xyz term, so we'll put 0 here. Okay. Now, what we have to do? We have to change the sign. Okay, all the signs which are on the second line, we'll have to change it. That is, in place of plus, now it will become minus. Minus will now become plus. Plus will now become minus, and plus, no sign means plus. As I said, it will become minus. Okay, now let's solve it. Plus minus is minus. 10 minus 0 is 10 only. So we'll write 10 xyz. Which one is greater? 10. It is having plus sign, so we'll put plus sign. So minus plus is minus. 7 minus 2 is 5. So we will write 5zx. Now which number is greater? 7. 7 is having minus? No, it is not having minus sign, but this minus sign has changed to plus sign. Now 7 is having my plus sign. So we'll put plus sign there. Now minus minus is plus. 5 plus 2 is 7. We'll write 7yz. Which number is greater? 5. 5 is having which sign? Minus sign. So we'll put minus sign here. Now plus minus is minus. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2xy. Which number is greater? 5. It is having plus sign. So we'll leave it like this. Okay. So this is the solution of sum number B of question number 4. Now let's move on to the last sum of today's session. That is sum number C of question number 4. So this is sum number C, students. Sum number C of question number 4. So this is a big first expression we have given. 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5p q square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from this expression. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2p q square plus 5p square q. Okay, so first of all we'll write this line, the second expression, that is 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2p q square plus 5p square q. Now we have to write the second line. Be careful with the variables, students. So 18, the first term is a constant term. So where we have constant term here? Okay, now we'll start with this part. Okay, we'll start with first part. What we have? 4p square q. So where is variable 4? P square q. P square q. Here we have p square q. So we'll write 4 just below this one. That is plus. No sign is there. That means 4 is having plus sign. Okay, plus 4p square q. Now what is the second number written? Minus 3pq. So where is pq variable? Here we have pq variable. So just below pq, we'll write 3 minus 3pq. Now what we have, the next one, pq square. Pq square, see? So we'll write plus 5p square here. So what is the next number? 8p. Where we have p? Yes. So below p, we'll write this minus 8p. Now after that, 7q. Q variable, just below the q variable, plus 7q, and at last we'll have the constant term, that is minus 10. So here we'll write minus 10. Fine. So now we'll put a line like this. Now we have to change the sign, isn't it? So now plus sign will become minus, plus will become minus, this minus will become plus, this minus plus will become minus, this minus will become plus, and this minus will become plus. Now let's do it. So plus minus is minus, 5 minus 4 is 1. We'll not write 1, only the variable will write it. Do not write 1p square q, doesn't look good. Okay, now which number is greater? 5. 5 is having plus sign, so we'll put plus sign here. Now minus minus is plus, so 5 plus 2 is 7. 7pq square. Now which number is greater? 5, and 5 is having which sign? Minus sign, not this sign, minus sign. So we'll put minus sign here. Plus plus is plus, 5 plus 3 is 8. 8pq, which number is greater? Obviously 5, it is having plus sign, so we'll put plus sign here. So minus minus is plus 11 plus 7 is 18. 18q. Now which number is greater? 11, it is having minus sign, so we'll put minus sign here. Now next one, minus plus is minus, 8 minus 3 is 5p. Which number is greater? 8, it is having plus sign, not this sign, plus. So we'll put plus sign. Now plus is plus. 18 plus 10 is 28. Which number is greater? 18, and it's having plus sign, so we'll leave it like this. So this is the required solution of sum number C of question number 4. I hope all of you have understood the 3 sums. That's it for today's session, students. Thank you so much. God bless you and stay blessed.